Are you? Please sit down. Welcome to Eureka. Welcome to Eureka.
Can you see the brochure for Eureka?
It means you want admission in
Yes.
Eureka. Okay, you both. This is our brochures, and this is our brochures. Okay.
How many courses in Eureka?
Yes, we have three courses. One is CIE, and second is DIE, and third is EBE.
What is CIE?
CIE means Certificate in English Eureka. This is 7-month course. 7-month course. This course is divided to three. One is beginner, second is pre-intermediate, and third is intermediate.
And what is DIE?
DIE means Diploma in English Eureka. Eureka English.
And what's EBE?
EB Eureka Business English.
And you have IELTS course or not?
Oh, sorry?
IELTS.
IELTS course.
IELTS course.
IELTS course. Yes, we have just three courses, and you have beginner, pre-intermediate, intermediate. If you complete beginners, then we will take test. If you pass a test, then we send into
You
pre-intermediate.
direct in pre-intermediate for CIE.
Okay, then I will take a test. Then if you passed, then I will send to pre-intermediate.
What about, can you explain me about the IELTS course? If we want IELTS course, we want to study abroad. So we want IELTS course, and first we are admit in CIE.
Okay.
Then we,
Okay, then if you want IELTS course, then you take admission DIE, Diploma in English Eureka. This is a speak and write confidently. So this course is totally 5-month course, divided into three parts. One is advanced grammar conversation, second is public speaking, and third is creative writing. These three courses. So
Fees, can you please?
fees,
Fees structure.
fee structure. Okay. You both are one family?
yes.
Yes.
You from one family?
Yes.
Okay, this is our fee structure. One fee structure is his admission fees is 4,000. One fees is 4,000 and life prices 1,000, totally 9,000. Okay, if you this admission is not in Eureka. This admission fees is head office. It's not for mines. Okay, and if you both are brothers, then I will give a discount 40%. So fees 2,000 and admission 1 month fees 3,000, life on 6,000 probably for one person. If you both, then 12,000 if you both pay. You should.
More than vegetable, please.
So it's too much. We want a discount more. That's why
Discount.
we need a discount, because we have a problem in
It's
my
mixed
father can't afford.
income problem.
Yes, income problem.
Okay, your admission fees I will to 4,000, to 2,000 to 4,000, and I will give you monthly fees to 2,000, not a 3,000, to 2,000, 1 month 1,000 discount for you people. Okay, if you agree.
So
Lab charges included?
Lab charges is separate. Lab charges lab charge go to our head office. Just I will give only monthly fees, 1 month 1,000 discount for you people.
Yes,
and what about the admission fees?
Admission fees, your admission fees go to our head office. So we can't give discounts in admission fees.
Sir, kindly give us a discount. So you know, sir, we have
Okay.
nowadays there are many problems in every family. That's why I'm taking discount and.
Okay, no problem. So you got totally 10,000. So you people more 2,000 discount. I will 2,000. You people pay 8,000 for advance, and you people start. If you're not satisfied, then you take demo class, free demo class. You first take it. You know that Eureka is the brand of Karachi. You people want to come here and learn English. So this is a fruitful for you. I hope that fruitful for you people. So tomorrow you people can demo class. You will take demo class. After that, if you satisfy, then you please come and pay your fees.
Sir, kindly give us more discount.
More discount. So I will give you
We are not
4,000
satisfied.
discount. You are not satisfied.
No. Because we know our.
It's a problem in your incomes.
Yes, we know about it. So that's why we came because. we
Okay,
want to
I
study.
think I will give you 4,000. So it's 4,000 is you know that our
You know-
admission fees for one person. So I will give you discount for 40%, not a 60% discount.
But sir, your fees is too much high. That's
So
why.
not a high, you know that if you go to in Domino and other language center, so it is a very not. It is a cheap price. You know that the modern era in our society, it is a cheap price.
But initial condition is our family is not strong.
Okay, you pay first not 8,000. If you pay 4,000, then after 15 days you pay 4,000 more. So it is I think fruitful for you people. If you agree, this is the fruitful for you people. I think.
So
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Which class you prefer for us?
So I thought that certificate in English Eureka is fruitful for you. This is 7-month course, 7-month course. So first beginner, second is pre-intermediate, third is intermediate. So if you complete your beginner, I will took test. If you pass the test, then I will send to you in pre-intermediate. Like same as a beginner in pre-intermediate. You know that 2-month also course, and I took exam. If you test, I took test, and if you people pass, then I will send you intermediate.
I ask one question.
Yes.
I have completed beginner and pre-intermediate.
Both. So if you complete it,
Yes. We have
Okay, I will.
completed. So you will give a certificate for to pre-intermediate level?
No. If you complete it intermediate 7-month course, then I will give you certificates. Certificate, you know that it's a certificate affiliated by Cambridge University.
Okay.
So it is a fruitful for you people, and so you know that the demand in our market, if you complete it in Eureka, so your demand will be high in our market like a Karachi.
So we take demo class for tomorrow.
Tomorrow, yeah, you can take a demo class. If you not satisfied, then
The
you
new
not.
batch started or not?
Yeah, started ICIC. One is beginner, so you know that beginner classes is English
When
beginner.
it start?
Tomorrow I will start, no problem.
It's a new page.
Yes, new
Start
batch.
from
Yes.
tomorrow.
Yes. Tomorrow we will start new batches. So you people come and enjoy, and you learn. Okay.
So kindly give us some discounts.
Discount, yeah, discount. I will give
We will,
discount 60%.
if we take a demo class, so we will discuss.
We are comfortable for that.
Then okay, decide.
Okay, best of luck. Thank you for coming.